Hey, what's up everybody? This is James from Islands Visuals, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of a wand light. Okay, now the actual name of this light is the Sutefoto. Yeah, there, this might help you out. Yeah, it's the TP 25 RGB light. When it came, it was already in its own little box right here, and it was packed in there pretty neatly, as you can see right here. Now, I can't remember exactly how it was packed, but I remember it was packed pretty neatly. You got the charger, you got this little stand right here with the 1/4" screw on it, because on both ends of the light, it has little 1/4" screws, so which will come in handy. You got a little charging box. Also got a little strap, and you're like, what's the strap for? Well, I'll show you. I'll show you that here in a minute. And of course, you got the little carrying case in the bag. It's a really nice bag and carrying case. And of course, you got the instruction manual, but all right, it did survive a drop test. All right, so here's the light right here. Now, I'm gonna tell you what my original first impression was of this light. I like that it had, you know, this kind of solid light look right here. One thing I hate about a lot of lights is that you can see the LEDs on it. Let's go ahead and turn it. Oh, another thing I like how it has this protective tubing over it. You know, it protects that little LCD screen right there. Also, I like the button design, which is nice. It also works with your cell phone, and I'll go over that here in a little bit. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And as you can, when it first comes on, it does a little Sutefoto thing. There you go. Well, oh, it scared me for a second there. I thought I might have broke it. It took a second for it to come on. It probably didn't take a second for it to come on. It's just I had to push the button to get it to come on. So let's turn it off and try it one more time. Okay, yeah, it's fine. This right here got several cycles to it. Right now it's on a color cycle where it's just cycling through all the colors. There's a little button on there called FX, and you can change to the different settings on here. Like that right there is just the paparazzi, lightning. Oh, by the way, I got other lights pointed at me, so that's kind of gonna make a little bit of a difference here, you know, so bear with me. I'll turn out the lights here in a minute. There's police, fire truck, ambulance, fire, fireworks, faulty bulb, TV, RGB cycle on there again. You can go ahead and change it to CCT, which is just a regular light. So, all right, so let's go ahead and turn out these lights right here and see what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a tripod because on these got little 1/4" screws on them. So I can end up screwing on a light stand. Now you can either put it on either end. It doesn't matter which end you put it on. You know, or you could end up putting it on the little stand, this little stand right here. So anyways, there's the light right there. Let's say if I set it over here, you'll get some light coming on me over right here. And worked out pretty nice. But most people ain't gonna use it for that. They're gonna use it for like some kind of product review and stuff like that. So the reason why I had this other light over here is just so that I can use this to pretty much shine a little bit of light on me. There you go, to make me kind of stand out. And you can have this in the background. Normally people will have like two, because normally two looks a little bit better, but I just got one, you know. But you know, there's things you can do too. You can have it in the background, be good for a music video or something like that. Let's put it right there. You have it in the background, you go on doing a music video or something like that. You can probably make some designs, tape it on something or something like that. So that's one thing that this is good for, is like music videos or product reviews and stuff like that. It's really great for that, you know. All right, now what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn this other light off right here for now. This is one thing you can do. You could probably do some fancy stuff with it. Do a scary movie. You want a little scary movie? Okay, so see, we got that little effect going on. All right, so let's try something else. Let's see, that one was paparazzi. There's lightning. Let's go ahead and hook it up to the cell phone. Okay, now on your cell phone, it's a nice little app on there. It gives you some functions on there as well. So, which, you know, that'll come in really handy. Here's the police one. If you want that look, you put a light in front of you. You can have the person in front. You know, you still got the lighting action going on, but you're having the person's skin and everything kind of pop out and everything, and all that light is pretty much behind them, but you're able to still see the person in front. So that's how you pretty much do it. You got a light right here, and then you have the light back here, you know, which is, can be pretty nice. Here's the one with the fire truck. Here's without. Here's if you have it as the main light source. Ambulance. Here's fire. So that's like if you want to mimic a fire or something like that, like, you know, roasting marshmallows on an open fire. Alright, so of course there's fireworks. Can't see anything. Oh, there it goes. Fireworks. Then you got the faulty bulb. You know, you're trying to do a horror movie and you got the faulty bulb somewhere. Give it another look. You can have the light a little bit away. One thing cool is you can also change the frequencies of everything. So if you don't want, you want to lower the frequency, you can do that. Also intensity, you can lower the intensity of it. This is like it's barely doing it. So if I want to raise the intensity, I can do like that. Frequency, I can raise the frequency and also lower the intensity. So this would be pretty cool if you have, let's say you're sitting down on the couch, you want to make it look like someone's watching TV or something like that. Alright, and then of course you have the RGB cycle where it's going to kind of change color and stuff like that. So that's basically what that's going to look like. Let's look at it and see what it looks like behind me. Alright, this is what it looks like if I put a light on me. Okay, now I'm not gonna lie, I might not have these lighting setups perfect or anything like that, but hopefully this will give you an idea of this light and actual use and stuff. Alright, now one thing pretty cool is on the app here, you can actually, you know, change it manually. Like if you want to add more red to it, take down the greens, you know, and give it like different colors, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm not very good at that kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying? But some of you might be able to do it. You got red, green, blue, less warm, more warm. So, you know. And also you got the HSI select, where you can just manually select what color you want. It makes it kind of easy and come up with different colors. And then of course you can also turn it on to just the CCT. Alright, so let's say we put it like around 6400K for the temperature. Magenta, we'll leave that. So let's say if we want to bring up to the magenta, we can do that. Intensity, we can lower the intensity. That's at 0%. This is at 14%. I think you can go all the way down. Oh, you can go all the way down to 1%. This is what it's like at 1%. Huh. Neat. Here, I'll go ahead and turn my other light off. Yeah, 1%. This is what it's like at 1%. 2%, 3%, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10%, 20%, 30%. Now 30%, let's see what it looks like right at me. All right, now this is me going down at the 0. 1, 3, 6, 10, 13, 20, 26, 30, 68, 71. I mean, you can kind of lower and higher to bring it up, bring it down, lower it, intensify it. This depends on what you want. All right, so I went ahead and turned on the regular lights, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk a little bit more about some of the stuff with this light. I might have already said before, there's a 1/4" screw on this end. And there's also a 1/4" screw on the other end. All right, so I got it right here. So that's pretty cool to where you can stand it up right here. Let me take it off of here. And you put this in and you can turn it into a handle, and then you have a lifesaver. Luke, I am your father. I make the worst Darth Vader impression ever. So anyways, would I use it at a wedding? Probably not. Mainly because I don't see any use for this at a wedding. I see it mostly used for like music videos and if you want you know, short stories and stuff like that, and you want to mimic some things and stuff like that. But there's a lot of uses that you can have for wands, and they're very popular. Okay, I actually tested this, and it lasted for, well, it lasted at 100% for an hour and a half. Then I did another test, and it lasted for about 3 hours at 50%. So like it advertised, it does last as long as what it says it advertised for, which, you know, normally that should be long enough to do what you need to do. If not, just, you know, go and charge it up again. The strap, I was going to show you what that strap's for. Okay, with that strap, what you can use it for the light. Let's say you got the light, battery's almost low, and you need to go ahead and recharge it, but you still got more filming to do. No problem. Hook this up, start the charging process, put the battery on the light stand, and use the strap. So there it is. You can put the strap on there, and then just kind of tighten it in. Keep it from dangling and stuff like that. It'll be on there nice and tight. You know, give some looseness there. And that's what that strap's for. If you'd like to add anything, add them in the comment section. But anyways, that's it for this video. Until next time, live long and prosper, and peace out. Or since we're using this, let's say, may the force be with you.